Welcome. If you're facing issues with Pinterest not showing messages, you're not alone. Many users encounter this problem, but the good news is that there are several straightforward steps you can take to resolve it. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Start by ensuring your internet connection is stable. Open your device's settings and click on the network icon to verify that you're connected. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent messages from loading properly. Step 2. Close and reopen the app. Sometimes, simply closing the Pinterest app and reopening it can fix minor glitches. Make sure to completely exit the app before restarting it. Step 3. Ask the sender to resend the message. If you're still not seeing messages, it might help to ask the sender to resend their message. Occasionally, messages can get stuck in transit, and a resend might do the trick. Step 4. Restart your device. If the issue persists, try restarting your device. This can clear temporary files and refresh your system, which often resolves many app-related problems. Step 5. Clear app cache. Next, you'll want to clear the app cache. Go to your device settings, find Pinterest in your app list, and select it. Look for options labeled Clear Data or Clear Cache. This step helps eliminate any corrupted data that could be causing issues. Step 6. Confirm cache clearance. After selecting Clear Cache, confirm your choice when prompted. This action will remove old data without deleting your account information. Step 7. Reopen the app. Once you've cleared the cache, reopen Pinterest to see if messages are now displaying correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with Pinterest not showing messages. If you're still experiencing problems after trying all these methods, consider checking for updates in the App Store or reaching out to Pinterest support for further assistance. Thank you for watching. If this guide helped you fix your issue with Pinterest messages, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips.